How are things? How are things, my people? How's everything? Hope everything's doing good. And yeah, it's another inspirational ride. This is one of the spontaneous and motivational video. I'm on the CBR1000rr, and yeah, so the inspiring message for today is keep on trying no matter how hard it might seem. Eventually it will get even. So keep on doing what you're doing. Because whatever you're doing, eventually it will pay off. I know it may take time to build. It may take time to construct your dreams and your reality. But you know, I feel like sometimes we have no choice but to do it, because we're here, you know, we're in these dimensions, and I know I didn't ask to be in this dimension, but I'm here now, so I'm gonna have to do whatever it takes to live it to the fullest. So yeah, keep on trying no matter how hard it might seem. Eventually you will get it. And another inspiration message is to believe in yourself. Oh, today's a really nice day to ride. Fantastic day to ride. Look at the big eagle. Look at the skies. Those eagles are just like they're just flying around like scouting. And the next inspirational message will have to be visualization. So you know, you guys already know what visualization means. I mean, but sometimes we forget though. Sometimes we forget to visualize ourselves, picture how exactly how we wanted to live, and how we want it to be, like, you know, our dream life. We visualize it, and then we'll go out and we'll manifest it with our hands. Because I feel like we have a misunderstanding over the word manifestation. The word manifestation has the word mani in it, which means hands. So I think when we manifest, we're supposed to be manifesting with our hands. And a lot of people think manifestation is like a mystical thing where you're just like think about it, form a thought about it, and then like it will happen. but the truth to that is not really the truth, because you have to take actions to manifest it. Without action, there's no results. So, because yeah, that's what basically what manifest mean. And visualization is very important, because first you have to visualize yourself. In order to, you know, accomplish and achieve something, you have to visualize yourself and believe that you can achieve it. And whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can certainly achieve. So yeah, that's another good one. It's to you are one of a kind, and no one can replace you. And love God first, and love yourself as well. Oh yeah, self-love. Self-love is very important as well. So, you know, love yourself. Take care of yourself, you know. Do whatever you feel like. Do whatever makes you happy. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna be living in your body, and you're the only one that can experience your thoughts and your emotions. So no one else can, or no one else on the externals can. Man, this red light is taking forever, bro. What to do, Yui? Fuck it. But yeah, let's do a quick hit. Oh, not bad. I didn't really get on it that much, but that was nice. What other one I was gonna say? Oh yeah, self-care. Self-care, you know.